Okay, this is update number 5 of my the Guillows B-24 RC conversion. We got it fired up. It's looking good. Covered. We're going to try and make this a rather quick video. So my lovely assistant. Alright, I'm going to show the side. This is where the receiver went and all the wiring. It is actually all crammed in there. I don't know if the lighting works or not, but it's all in there, and it all all worked out pretty darn good. So, the cover back on. You know, there's a couple little spots I kind of regret. And just 1 minute, sweetie. On the fuselage, I wish I would have added one more stringer right in that radius, and that would have really helped. But if that's all I got to complain about, then it's really nothing to complain about. All right, so bound to the DX9. Gear it down. Bottom doors up. And this is the 3-cell 1500 milliamp battery. If I can fight it out of here. It's a tight fit, but it's also only been in and out of there a couple times. So, let's fire it up and listen to those 4 ESCs singing. Alright, they plugged in kind of goofy, but they all went. So, just stick the battery in here. Just for now. Just for demonstration purposes. It's only the second time I've put the battery in the model, so give me a break. There we go. It's in there. I don't know how well it's going to clear the retracts. It should be okay. There. So we've got ailerons. We got elevator, rudder and steering. And we got power. So we can try the retracts. And
oh, do it again. That wasn't
okay. Retracts are up and down. And we've got the oleos. Front suspension, rear suspension, and I'm going to put some power on it, so hopefully everything is going to go flying off the walls. Yes. Rock and roll, man. That's some 3-cell power. That's going to be awesome. So this is, like I said, this is a pretty quick little video. We've got high rates and low rates. I always put them on the same control. So this is where my high rates are. So now we got high rates. So if you can get the ailerons too. So high rates, mid rates, low rates. And then elevator in the back. So there's low rates, mid rates, high rates. So they're both on the same switch, and that's how I run almost all of my models. I put the high rates and low rates, just put them on one switch, because it just gets too confusing. Oh, this is my aileron high rate, and this is my elevator high rate. It's one thing I learned to do that a long time ago. It's just easier to keep track of your high rates and low rates that way. So here we are, really ready for maiden at this point. We could put the cover on and and I could fly it this way. And I might. It's how I usually do it. I usually don't finish the model out before I maiden it. So, lovely assistant. Thank you, dear. So, this is what we got for you. Just a really quick update. One of the only things I really don't like is how the retracts ended up kind of canted. You can see it from the dihedral in the wing. They're a little canted, but I guess that's the price you got to pay for having your retracts and everything you like. Oh, the other cool thing, the target weight for this model, I'm going for 32 ounces. And right now, the model with a battery is 29.5 ounces. So I'm really, really pleased with that. A lot of weight sanded out of it, and like for the holes, for my cooling holes, if we can see them back, you know, they took a lot of weight out, you know. And this is another thing, you know, with those cooling holes, they were kind of ragged holes, but really, who cares? It's on the inside of the model. You're never going to see it. So maybe you notice that about my modeling. A lot of the stuff on the inside, it's maybe an old trait from all the body work I did. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys. Be on the lookout for the maiden. Thanks for watching.